Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which our topic is the conditional formatting with branching statement. In VBA, the branching is that when you send a control on the flow of execution to some other procedure, from one procedure to another procedure. So that is called branching, right? And conditional formatting, normally it is a part of the home tab, and it is available here. But what conditional formatting we are talking about is with the VBA. On a certain condition, you want a certain format. So in this example in front of us is that when we want to highlight all the latest changes which have been made. If we make any latest change, for example, here, we want to make a change in here, okay, and we want to make a change here, okay, and there are scattered situations, okay, and we want to enter uh, something here, for example, as there are uh, some scattered selections, right? Okay, for example, this out, okay? So 4 are here, 5, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 6, right? Now, if you want to enter, for example, through the code, now with the double click, when you double click on the first available position of the backlog of the prayers you perform, so you do that double click in here, so it asks you how many days. We said 5, for example. So when have you performed it? Let's say we say that we performed it on 22nd. 22nd of July. Okay, so we click OK. So what does it do? It puts that stamp of 22nd of July, and and it and it covers all these 5, right? It leaves this one because your input was 5, not the 6. Had you used the 6, then it would have selected this one. Had you and then 7, then this one would have been selected. It would not use any existing row. And also, it has unhighlighted the one which was already highlighted. So making sure that only the last updates are highlighted. Okay. So this is how we see. So let's do it again with and see how does it do in the code, right? So we do the no fill in here, so that you don't get confused with that. And we delete this also, and we press this button for no fill, right? So these are the fine. Okay, now let's see how is the looping and how is the loop working and with the branching to do all this. Okay, so for this we have to go to the code. In the code we go to the slash sheet. In slash sheet we have the before double click, and it will ask how many enter the means how many days, right? That those days have to be uh, counted. Each time it is marking, each time it is coloring it, right? So we put a breakpoint here. Each time it is doing this. So and we will see that how the code is working, right? So what we do is we do double click in here. We say 6, for example. Okay, when did you do it? We say on 21st of July. Okay, so the first thing it has done is that for each of the selection it is doing, this is the for and next loop, and it is checking. If it is a blank, and it was a blank here, that's why it has qualified it, and it has gone to the color pattern, and it put a color on the 6, and then it put a color on the here, like this, okay? So when we click F5 here, so the second one is marked. When we press F5 again, third one is marked. This fourth one is marked. and the fifth one is marked, not shown to you, but you can see the fifth one is marked. And this is the sixth one. It is going to be marked. So it's alter flown. Yeah. And we see it happening. Yeah. It has a now next on the next step, it will exit the for and because the counter has reached to its end, and now it will exit, and then it will make sure the graph is shown uh, right adjacent to the data which you have made. So we run it, and it shows you the graph right from the start of the data, right? Okay, so this is how it works, and and we have shown you the conditional formatting through the code. In the code, what we have shown you that the conditional formatting can be used to create a dynamic visuals in your Excel spreadsheet. And this video has demonstrated how to use the branching statement to create the complex conditional formatting rules. So enhance your data visualization capabilities. Right? So the question hook is here that the time when you're tired of boring a static spreadsheet, and you want to make your data pop, and conditional formatting with branching statements is the key. So we should learn how to create the dynamic visuals that will make your spreadsheet stand out, right? So these are the actually great. It's a power of Excel. It can assess you in all these jobs, unlocking dynamic values with conditional dynamic visuals, unlocking the dynamic visuals with conditional formatting. So we start with a captivating hook. Let's what was the hook that when you're tired, when you want to some some a sense of creativity within your sheets formatting, and so the visual is turning a spreadsheet with dynamic conditional formatting, and ask the viewers if they like to achieve this in their own work. So uh, mm, so this way, in the interest of the people will increase, and you will show the tricks, which are the basic concepts. Then the users can develop of their own. So as a matter of introduction of the concept of the conditional formatting, although it is available in the home tab of the ribbon, Excel ribbon on the top of the screen, that is a static, and it also has a great functionalities in it. But when you combine it with the Visual Basic for application, it becomes even more powerful thing. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I look forward to joining us. You're joining us in our future more informative and interesting episodes. Okay, thank you very much for watching.